Santa Claus is in the hospital after they rolled over with a giant snowball.
Ho ho ho, Merry Christmas.
Yes, officer, so Santa Claus is knocked down. Okay, this is very serious. Christmas is ruined. We need to solve this crime now.
Local police authorities have said they will put their best detectives to figure out who hurt Santa.
I, Detective Tom, will figure out who ruined Christmas by injuring Santa, but first I need to interview the witnesses.
Detective Tom, what are you doing in my house?
I'm here to ask you a few questions of what happened in the park today about Santa Claus.
You are here to ask me what I was doing in the park today.
Oh, yes, I am. So, what were you doing there?
Oh, well, you know dogs like to take walks, so I just went on a nice little stroll. Do you want something to drink? No? Well, then I'll have it in that case.
Well, that's one person of my suspects list. Let's go on to the other. Hello, Detective Tom. Good morning, Pear. I thought birds are supposed to fly south for winter. What's your alibi for being in the park while Santa was rolled over with a giant snowball? Well, I was doing some promotion for my new song, Rock and Roller. Oh, I love that song. It's number 2 in the rankings. So that's why you were there. Okay, I'll take that alibi as legit. Well, now it's on to the last person in my suspects list. Hello, Detective Tom. What are you doing here today? Well, I'm here to ask you a few questions of what were you doing in the park yesterday when Santa was injured. Well, since you don't know, I'm a street performer, so I was there doing a nice act. Okay, Robbie, if that's what you say, I believe you. By the way, don't you want to see me dance? Nice dance moves there, Robbie. Oh, well, officer, so you found brown fur on Santa's coat? Then I'll look into it.
I feel I eat something. Oh wait, Officer Tom, is that you?
So, Ben, I'm here to ask you, what was your brown fur doing on Santa's coat?
Well, it's kind of embarrassing, but I sat on his lap and told him what I wanted for Christmas.
Okay then, that was really, weird. Can you repeat what you just said, Detective? Did you say you just found green feathers in a snowball? Oh my, this evidence is what we need to prove who did this. The perpetrator will be brought to justice who ruined this festive season of Christmas. Officer Tom, what are you doing here? You can cut out that nice parrot act right now. We know it's you who ruined Christmas. You rolled that giant snowball into Santa. Oh my, okay, I'll tell you why. It's because his song Jingle Bells was topping the rankings, and I needed my new song Rock and Roller to beat him out, so I just needed to injure him so that my song will get more promotion and will become the top song ever. Oh, well, I'm sorry, Pear, but you are under arrest for ruining Christmas and injuring Santa. We have breaking news now coming into the studio.
Top selling singer Pear has been arrested for the injury of Santa Claus.
His song has been number 1 for a few weeks now, but now is number 2 right after Santa Claus's Jingle Bells top the rankings.
What a sad day it is for singers this day.
What do you mean? Santa Claus is better than Pear all the time.
Never!